Welcome! Let's get to know Rogers Xfinity TV. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. It's a TV service that runs on your internet instead of on cable. That's why our Rogers Xfinity bundles come with both a TV and internet service. With your bundle, you get a modem, an entertainment box, and voice remote. With minimal wires, you have the freedom to set it up in any area of your home with a working power outlet. With the revolutionary voice remote, all your favorite content is more accessible than ever before. Simply press the mic button, say the words, and results will appear. You can also use the voice remote to set recordings, change channels, open apps, and much more. Rogers Xfinity TV is also Netflix and YouTube integrated, giving you tons more viewing options. Plus, there are apps like the Sports app, a hub for sports lovers that lets you favorite leagues and teams, view stats and scores, view exclusive footage, and more. And Kids Own a Playground on your TV for kids that lets parents customize viewing and searching controls. Thanks to Cloud PVR and the Rogers Xfinity Stream app, you can download and go your favorite content to watch anywhere, anytime. IPTV is the next generation of entertainment, and we're taking it steps further with these game-changing features. To learn more, visit Rogers.com.